equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31 circuit board. Today, we will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to tackle this repair with confidence. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected from any power source. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the unit. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off the Thermomix. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the cover. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, let's focus on the circuit board. Carefully inspect the board for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's time to take action. Using your multimeter, test the connections to ensure they are functioning correctly. If you find any faulty components, you may need to replace them. While you're at it, it's a good idea to clean the circuit board. Dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe down the board to remove any dust or debris. This will help improve the performance of your Thermomix. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify any issues without any pressure to commit to a repair. Next, let's reassemble the unit. Carefully place the circuit board back into its housing, ensuring all connections are secure. Replace the top cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Before you plug it back in, take a moment to double-check your work. Ensure that all screws are in place and that there are no loose wires. Once you're satisfied, plug the Thermomix TM31 back into the power source. Now, it's time to test your repair. Turn on the unit and check if it operates as expected. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your appliance serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.